Hi, my name is Emily Stewart and I'm part of the pre-sales analytics team here at SAP. So a little bit about myself. I'm a huge foodie, whether it's food photography or favourite type of food being Italian. I also love to travel, so travelling the world and exploring new cultures and new places.
So I work in the UK pre-sales team for SAP. For my background, I've got 2 children, a lovely wife, and I enjoy watching The Simpsons in my spare time.
So hi, my name is Aaron. I've been working in the area of machine learning, AI and predictive analytics for about 2.5 years. And what that really means is that I take data from customers and I try and predict the future and create intelligent solutions. Outside of this though, I really enjoy playing sport, I really enjoy helping people and teaching young people as well.
So I went to the University of Nottingham, did a 4-year course and I studied business management with a focus on finance and computer science.
So I went to university at Liverpool and I studied a course called Business Information Systems. And at the time, this was a course dedicated for the ideas around creating decision support systems, enterprise information systems, and how businesses could use those.
I studied mathematics, which sounds very difficult, but it was actually very different to what I thought it would be. It was obviously very technical, but it covered all different types of things like pure mathematics, statistics, predictive modeling, and even some sociology and psychology in there as well. So machine learning is such a broad topic at the moment. The actual field itself, so building machine learning solutions, is a very technical world. So if you want to be the type of person that's building these solutions and building the technology, then you do need a certain level of technical knowledge. But there's so many other roles inside machine learning. There's business development, there's sales, there's pre-sales, there's all different types of things going on in the area. So it really depends on what you want to do with machine learning. Do you want to be someone that's building and applying? Do you want to be someone that's researching? Or do you want to be someone that's out there selling and creating solutions?
Analytics is hugely important from society purely from the amount of data that's being created every day, every hour, every minute and every second. Being able to analyse and understand this data and then to make decisions based on that data is key. With SAP Analytics, we can start to predict not based on historic data but on future trends and make decisions in real time, which is hugely important for our society and for organisations to grow and succeed.
So the field of predictive analytics or machine learning is very exciting. I've worked in the business intelligence or reporting field for many years, and that's all about looking at your data and how you can present that data for the right audience to use to make their decisions. But the area of machine learning is really exciting because you're using mathematical algorithms to actually find the fact in the data, and it's more important that you can find that fact really quickly and easily using these amazing algorithms rather than relying on people themselves to try and find kind of that proverbial needle in a haystack.
So I'm passionate about pre-sales because you really get to understand the customer's challenges and work with them to create solutions that can transform their business. From an analytics perspective, data and being able to visualise, plan and predict into the future is not only paramount and important today, but it's also crucial to society from a global perspective. So it's growing over the next 10, 15, 20 years, and it's really important for me to be a part of that as well.
So one of the coolest projects that I worked on, and it was a project that I worked on when I was an intern, and it really inspired me to follow a career path in this area. It was around public sector, and for me the use cases in that industry are the most interesting because you can see how they directly impact human lives. So this example was around the time of when there was lots of terrorist attacks around London. And what we did was we built a data set which we created using web scraping and using different data generation tools. And we created a data set to predict where terrorist attacks are most likely to happen around the UK. And we simulated how these people may form circles together, may form groups. And we also simulated how they might move around the country as well. And we were able to visualize this all on a map, which was really nice too. So that was a really interesting project that I worked on because I enjoy the use cases that are directly impacting people.
So as part of my journey into SAP, after doing a year as an intern through university, I then came back as part of the SAP Global Pre-Sales Academy, where 33 graduates from around the world came together in California for a 6 months program to learn everything that there is to learn about being pre-sales at SAP. So I got to meet people from around the world, every different region and country, got to work with them in teams, learn how to present and also learn the technology. Something that I'll always take with me every day in terms of the experiences that I've learned from working with people from different cultures, and also from a self perspective, learning how to present and network and communicate with others as well.
So the possibilities of machine learning are massive. Organisations create so much data that they need to do something with that data. They need to make sense of that data, and they need to make sense of that data so they do the right thing. So with machine learning, that's one of the biggest ways that we can use that data really effectively, quickly and easily to really make sense of the world, and certainly make sense of that organisation's world and how they fit into making proper decisions to make themselves grow and also to make their employees grow as well.
Machine learning interacts with every technology these days. If you look at the direction of technology, everything is starting to become more intelligent. Our phones are intelligent, our cameras are intelligent, they can identify people's faces. So actually, machine learning touches everything, and everything moving forward will have some sort of intelligence inside of it. So it will be everywhere, I think. It will be integrated with every technology.
So I would recommend just do it. Get your CV tuned so it's appropriate to the organisation that you're advertising yourself to. But you know what? There's so much information, so much of a wealth of opportunity out there on the internet. Just go out and find some stuff. Try some learning. Try out some learning on some of the YouTube videos or some of the SAP sites. There's so much knowledge out there that is just waiting to be learned. Just go for it, really.